Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, we'll walk you through how to set up and customize the timeline section. Let's get started. Accessing the section. To access the timeline section, start by opening your customized Debutify theme. Next, go to Template and locate the timeline section. To enable or disable this feature, go to Theme Settings, then open Enterprise Widgets. Once enabled, return to the template and select the timeline section. To add it, click Add Section, search for Timeline and select it. After adding the section, you'll be able to customize all available settings. Under Show On, you can choose where the timeline section will be displayed: desktop, mobile, or both. Use container size to control how wide the timeline section appears on the page. Default keeps standard spacing on both sides of the section. Full expands the content to full width, removing left and right spacing for a bold, wide visual effect. You can choose desktop image placement. Left places the image on the left side with content on the right. Right places the image on the right side with content on the left. You can choose timeline selection. Text timeline focuses on written content and step-by-step storytelling. Image timeline adds visual support with images for a more engaging and dynamic presentation. You can choose mobile layout. Top displays the image above the content for a more visual-first layout. Bottom displays the image below the content for a text-first reading flow. You can customize timeline items from Timeline 1 to Timeline 5, allowing you to create a complete journey, process, or story flow. Each timeline item works as an individual content block that can be customized separately, giving you full flexibility to organize and present your content exactly the way you want. For each text timeline item, you can enter a time label to identify each timeline step. You can enter a time title to define the main heading for the timeline item. You can enter a time description to provide detailed information about the timeline item. For image-based timeline items, you can upload an image to visually support your timeline content. You can enter a time title for the image-based timeline item to highlight the main topic or milestone. You can enter a time description to provide additional details, context, or explanations related to the uploaded image and timeline content. Match the timeline section to your store's branding with color schemes, including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom. Create your own color palette for full control over the section appearance. Adjust top padding to control the space above the section content. Choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large, or Custom. If you select Custom, you can manually set a value between 0 pixels and 100 pixels. Similarly, bottom padding lets you control the space below the section using the same preset or custom options. You can use the image block to customize its settings. You can upload an image to visually enhance your timeline section and better showcase your content. Use the image width setting to control how large the image appears inside the section. You can set the width anywhere between 50 pixels and 400 pixels, depending on your preferred layout and design style. Enable full width to make the image expand across the available content area for a bold, immersive appearance. Disable it to keep the image at its default container width for a more balanced layout. Choose Alignment to control how the image is positioned within the section. Inherit uses the default alignment from the section settings. Left aligns the image to the left side. Center places the image in the center. Right aligns the image to the right side. You can also customize mobile alignment separately for better responsiveness on smaller screens. Inherit from desktop uses the same alignment selected for desktop view. Left aligns the image to the left on mobile devices. Center centers the image on mobile screens. Right aligns the image to the right side. Justify expands the image evenly across the available mobile width. Adjust top padding and bottom padding using the same preset or custom spacing options. You can enhance your section with blocks such as Advanced Double Button, Caption, Description, Double Button, Icon, Icon with Text, Image, single button, subtitle, and title. Each block comes with its own customization options, giving you full control over your layout. You can use the single button block to open its customization settings. You can enter a button title, which is the main text displayed on your button. You can also paste a link, URL, to define where the button will redirect users when clicked. You can choose a button style that complements your store's design. Available styles include link, default, solid, and outline. Select a button size to control its visual impact and prominence. Available sizes include inherit, small, medium, and regular. Choose text style to control button typography. Inherit uses theme default styling. Uppercase converts all text to capital letters. Lowercase converts all text to small letters. Capitalize capitalizes the first letter of each word. Enable show icon with button to display the icon next to the button text, or disable it to hide the icon completely. Enter your preferred icon name to select an icon from the available library. You can also upload a custom icon if you want a branded or unique design. Choose icon position. Left, icon appears before the button text. Right, icon appears after the button text. You can choose alignment for desktop layout. Left align button to the left side. Center the button in the section. Right align button to the right side. Choose mobile alignment. Inherit from desktop. Keeps desktop alignment on mobile. Left aligns button to left on mobile. Centers button on mobile. Right aligns button to right on mobile. Adjust top padding and bottom padding using the same preset or custom spacing options. And that's it. Your timeline section is now ready to go. If you need any help, feel free to contact the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.